My kitten is playing with a toy. Do you hear that sound? It's okay. It's just from a candle toy. I'm playing with it. Not too big. Or small. Okay. So, oh, look! The mail's arriving. Oh, why, thank you. This is my first Kawaii slime video. I watched this YouTuber who opened some Kawaii slimes. So, now, it's a chest. It's not really a chest, it's just a chest. So let me open it. Let's see. Okay. This actually doesn't have any tape. Okay. I've got my packing nut tin. All the packing nuts are gonna go so my kittens can't get at them. See? This is just some cute instructions. I really like why it's so cute. Isn't that what it means? So, they have cute little heart-shaped packing nuts. They're really nice to switch. They're good for sensory. It's just they don't fly back up. Watch. See? But they're really cute. So, I really like them. I was hoping I could keep a few. That is just
This is a hot weather alert.
Yeah. See? So cute! Look at me, little heart-shaped nose. You love that accent. So, packaging is really cute and elaborate. See? So cute. Okay, if you want to, you can scan this. Okay. So this surprisingly looks almost like candy corn. They made the lines too a little longer so you don't have more of older kids don't have attempt to eat it. I have a little bit of attempt, but I'm 7, so I can hold it back. I can hold back, keeping a whole bunch of candy corn. Oh, didn't notice yet. So it's really cute. See?
Activator.
This is activator. I'm guessing you need to activate your slime or something. The DIYs come with, so you add water into the activator bottle and makes activator. I'm not an expert, I just watched the videos. So, I don't think I'm gonna be needing this right now. I'm gonna just keep this here. Isn't it adorable? There's only like 3 DIYs of these though. In the DIY section right now. Okay. So what is just I'm gonna do the candy. Okay. So cute, right? So I'm gonna Hi Rainbow Kids. Today this is like my first video like this. So even though this is part of another video. Okay. So here's my 2 slimes. Okay, so it's this I found later stuck in the heart, and it's slime softener. It's really nice of them to give this stuff. Once more, we also got the activator. Okay, now let's get to open it. I think I decided to do the pink now. See, it's obvious that I think you should open it upside down. So the stuff just went everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep them in that bowl. Now let's open up the slime. Oh, look. Oh! Mommy, touch it. It feels sticky.
No, it's normal. That's the way it's supposed to feel.
Oh.
Butter slime.
Oh. I never had butter slime. I'm used to other slimes.
The more you play with it, the less sticky it'll be.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go. It's a little, it's like, see? Now let's make candy corn. I'm gonna go add in the pieces. And then, oh, giant bowl of pudding, yum. You can easily pick out the pieces if you go. Now, okay, that's it. It doesn't really make much of a sound when you pop it.
Because it's butter slime. Yep. This is what butter slime does.
Yeah, it feels really nice after you get it out of the packaging and start messing with it. It's also a really fun game to have first a sensory game. Try and find the little pieces and get them all out. And you can scrape the sprinkles off easily. See? If you can find them. Relief. Oh, it's like a strong smell of candy corn. Smells really good. It's the closest smell I ever smelled to candy corn bagged. Ooh. Nice. I'm not used to butter slime. Okay, so the big stretch competition. And butter slime can stretch far, but not really far without breaking. Okay? So, I'm going to put my pudding slime, it's actually butter slime, back in its container. Can chew the pudding. So, actually, I'm going to put it in a pudding tin. With a little bow in it too. See, pudding tin. When you tap it, it actually acts a little bit jiggly, but not much, just a little. Not always noticeable. So it's a pudding tin. Yum yum yum. I have to wait for existence. Ooh yeah, I forgot about that rule. I almost opens it right side up. This is also my first cloud slime. You may have played with regular slime. So let's open it. Oh wow, look how glittery. Now right now it kind of feels like it actually is already acting nice. Even now. Add in the stuff, and let's get fooled away. Now you can make whatever design you want. Now it looks like, whoa. Oh, one thing, I'm pretty sure the glitter gets all over your hands. But that's okay. And I'm not sure what this type of food this one's
cloud slime.
See, look, yummy.
Fuzzy pink poodle. Cloud slime.
Just take it out. The poodle sometimes might fall out, I'm guessing. But I don't know yet until we dump it out. So after you play with it for a little bit, it'll start turning more white and less glittery. It'll always be glittery though. See? Glittertastic. And this feels really nice. Now, for it stretches. Oh, what the heck? Didn't you see that? That was so cool. It's acted all spiderwebby. It feels really, really nice. I can't tell you how much it feels. Now, let's put our cloud into a cute tin. Yay! This is our poodle bath. a poodle bath, a pink poodle sparkly bath. So look at my hands. They are the sparkle thing. Okay. So I'm pretty think this one is a little more, gets a little higher when you push it down than the butter slime. Not much. Okay. Now, here's the hot weather warning. Now, you might want to, and on the back it's really cute. Thank you for your order. It's just basically means if it gets hot, you have to bring it back to warm temperature. So here are the instructions. I've already followed them almost. So first, you have to wash your hands. Has a little writing names. It's all really cute. See? First, you have to wash your hands. See? That's to write your name. Then you have to wash your hands. Okay? So cute. There's more in there. Look, oh, I found a little paw. So cute. Baby. Here's a nugget. Okay. So, let's compare the stretches. So I'm going to grab a handful of each. Just like my size handful. Butter slime. Butter slime. The big reveal. So, I'm going to stretch them. So, stretch. This is cloud slime. Little drops. Okay? And then, this is butter slime. And then, oops. Oh, I think I got a candy corn. That's why it's not stretching. Just get that little nugget out. A little more butter slime. Really likes to stick to each other, not the other things. They think we have a winner. Butter slime! Yay! Hip hip hooray for the butters. Stretching on. If your slime gets deactivated, you can just reactivate it. Okay, I think I want to put my slime away. It's so cute. I'm still going to keep the lid anyway. I'm going to pack it up and I'm going to play with it later. Different kinds of slime are less messy. Butter slime and cloud slime is less messy than normal slime. That's one thing I learned in this video. So, it's so buttery. So I'm going to show you how they look after you open them once you're done closing. You don't have to put back on the cute and adorable this, but I like it. So I'm going to put it back on, see how it looks. But you don't have to. So that's how it looks without it. And that's how it looks with it. This is how without it. Okay. Oops, got a little slime on there. And this is how it looks with it. Okay. I think my favorite out of these two, the idea, the design of the poodle slime, I think is nice. But for some reason, they made the poodle slime seasonal. I don't understand why. I'm telling you the truth. So I like the decoration and the color poodle slime best, but I like the texture of the butter slime the best and how it feels. So, okay. So, oops, didn't get on that right. Oops. Something. There. Ta-da. Da-da-da-da. This doesn't always stay on unless you push it on, right? See? Here's one pushed on right, here's one not. So, hope you like this slimy video. Oh, and